Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to find your Windows license key. So if you're planning on, reinstalling Windows or maybe replacing some hardware, you might want to find your key in advance before you wipe your computer. So typically there's two types of keys. There's a retail key, which is when you buy your own license, as a download, or you buy a flash drive with Windows installed on it. Then you actually get that key either on a piece of paper or in your email. And then we have the OEM key, which is the key that comes when you buy your computer pre-installed with Windows. And in this case, it's embedded into the motherboard usually, so tied to the hardware. So even if you wipe your computer and reinstall Windows, it should activate itself because it'll pull that key from the hardware. All right, so this program here will show you both OEM or retail key. If you go down to the bottom here, it just shows you what it'll do here and kind of gives you an explanation of OEM and retail and that type of thing. All right, so all you need to do is open the Microsoft Store, do a search for Show Key Plus, look for this icon here, look for this developer, click on either Install or Get, depending on what your button says, and then you can open it from here, and it should also be listed with your apps after you install it. All right, so we have the product name, this is Windows 11 Home with the product ID, the build version, the installed key, and it says OEM key not present in firmware, so this is a retail key on this computer. And if you go to check edition, you could actually put in a product key and have it tell you what version of Windows it belongs to. So let's say you found an old product key and you don't know what version of Windows and you want to make sure you install the version that you could use the key for, you could run it in here and it'll tell you. Then we have the retrieve keys section here. So if you have a hard drive from another Windows computer that you took out, let's say something died on it, and you want to recover the key, you could use this to try and browse to it and find that key that's embedded in that old hard drive in the Windows directory. So that's a nice feature. And there's a couple other options here which are blanked out for more and upgrades. So these may change depending on when you look at the program here. All right, so as you can see, it's super easy to use and pretty effective. So if you need to find your key before you either move to a new computer or redo your current computer, you might want to give it a shot. So once again, just open the Microsoft Store, do a search for Show Key Plus, install it, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.